Okay, so today we'll be cooking some tomahawk steaks over the fire on a griddle pan with some chips and onion rings and corn on the cob. I've never cooked a tomahawk steak before, let alone cooked one over a fire. I have cooked steak and have cooked over fire, so how hard can it be? For what we're going to do is we're going to cook chips and onion rings in my wok over the gas just to make life slightly simpler, and we're going to cook the steaks over the fire on the griddle. Yeah, we're just going to let those coals down there develop a little bit more, and yeah, once the coals are going, we'll be back. See you soon. Oh yeah, I like that. That's more sturdy. There we go. What I'm gonna do is get my oil on for my chips and onion rings. But just nice and low for now. Nice and low. Just get some oil in there. That'll probably be enough. Now, turn to the stick. Yeah, so these have been thawing out all day. They're a nice room temperature, whatever you'd call that. Take this out, bad boys. There we go. Now, take some tissue. I'm just going to dab these dry.
I need to look at your audience.
Dab these nice and dry. Get some of that moisture off of it. There we go. Turn them over. Dab dry again. Just like that. Now, haven't got any olive oil. It's a little bit of a shame. But this, I think, will be fine. So what I want to do is put a little dab of oil on each. And just wipe that in. Flip them around. Wipe that in. Beautiful. Just like that. Now, salt and pepper. Don't know if there's any salt coming out of that.
I've got damp.
Oh, perfect. Nice big bits of salt.
We're going to add the salt to our list.
Yeah. Flip it over. Salt. Nice coarse salt. I'm out of salt, but there's enough there, but there's some on there. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now, a little bit of oil onto our cooking pan. Oh, that pan is roasting hot. And now we're gonna a little tiny bit of oil onto the pan. Just like that. Beautiful. And then gonna bring over our steaks. And the first thing I'm gonna do is sear the edges. Are you ready? Get a nice heavy sear on those edges. And then just going to strap them down. Same again with this one. Searing those edges. And then we're going to strap them down. I'm just going to shove none each one on it, and then I'll try and put it in the side so I haven't got to keep taking them out. There we go.
What are we looking for?
We're looking for around 52 degrees before I take it off and start letting it rest. Have a look. Oh, it's got good sear on there. Very nice. Beautiful. Maybe a little bit dark on that one, but that's okay. And now they've flipped. I'm going to go on with some garlic butter. Like that. Plenty of garlic butter on there. I'm going to move it over slightly onto a slightly cooler part. I feel like this part of the grill is getting a bit too hot, so just like that. Now I'm going to go for another flip once I've got that good crust. A little bit more. After that first sear, it feels like it's taken a lot of heat out of the skillet, which is nice. So it making it pretty good.
How's it looking?
Looking pretty good so far.
Have you ever cooked these things before?
I've never cooked these steaks before in my life. First time. Oh, let's go for a flip. Nice.
Does this make you excited?
Hey?
Does this make you excited?
I'm very excited. I've had tomahawks a couple of times before, but I've never actually cooked one myself before, so quite excited. And now to garlic butter this side, because the last side got a gulping of it. Put some more on this side. Getting up towards 25 degrees internal now, so about halfway there. I'm going for a nice high heat because I want to get that big thick crust going on these steaks. So yeah, heavily seasoned with garlic butter there. Leave those on for a couple of minutes. Just check on our oil. Yep, oil's looking nice. Oh,
It's on wide, so everything's in at the moment.
yes.
Can you talk about how we're on camp and we want to make our life easy? So.
Yeah, so rather than making our own onion rings and chips and stuff, we did just buy our own. We normally get them from Lidl. We've done these before in the oil, then they always come out pretty good. Oh, it's good beer. It's literally by Brewdog and it's called cold beer. Very simple and very nice. Titties and beer. Back to the races. Let's have a temperature probe in. Oh shit, did it again.
We're learning. You need a little anything, but
Cupcake, would you like to ask me why we're reaching for 52 degrees?
so what's the deal with 50 degrees?
Because that's what Fire to Fork said.
Shout out.
Shout out Fire to Fork. Love his videos. He's such an amazing. Oh, 52, we're there. Let's have a check on this one. 47, yeah, this one can come off. Look. Oh no, this one's got all beef juice on it. this one's clean. That can come off. Start the rest process.
Yeah, that's fine.
That one's probing it. Yep, this one's done too. Oh, here we go. And let the rest process begin. Oh, they look good. Okay, now turn our attention to our side dishes. I said side dishes, not side bitches. Gonna leave those there. Gonna take this scalding hot pan off of here for now. Oh, and let that cool the fuck down before I touch it again. Beautiful. Okay, so the steaks are off and they're currently resting, so now it's time to do the side dishes, which we are going to do chips in a fryer. I have washed my hands since handling the beef, so well, to be fair, they're going in an air fryer anyway. They're not an air fryer. They're going in oil anyway, so it's not going to make much difference. I literally, what I do is, to make things slightly safer, I put them in a sieve first, which is our normal frying implement. That's about enough chips, do you reckon?
Yeah.
About that much chips. And then just nice and slowly, I start them in the bottom first, just so I know what I'm working with, and then just lower them in, nice and slow. Oh, I've never had that before. Maybe it needs a little love tap. There we go, just like that. In with the chips, and I'm just going to cook them until they're golden brown.
They're not crunchy yet, that's for sure. What are we waiting for? Golden brown?
Golden brown, crispy, all the good stuff. Oh, look at those fuckers. Okay, this one?
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh, wait. Do that. Oh. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeep.
You have this bit. I have this bit. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. No. Fucking nailed it.
Yes. It's really good.
It's one of the best steaks I've ever had in my life. Fuck, that's amazing. Tomahawk steaks.
Load some what is this?
Tomahawk. Or 2 tomahawks, chips and onion rings, cooked at camp.
This is really good.
It's amazing.
Very
Recommend
impressed.
Yeah, don't be afraid of it. It's really good. I've never cooked one before, and quite frankly I think it turned out amazing. So yeah, give it a go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're a small channel, every little helps. Bye.